everybody, what's up? It's me Nidhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today is quite sunny. I thought at least that since today is so sunny and bright, why don't I film a video for my YouTube channel? I decided to take out my camera and start filming for you all. But trust me guys, it was literally so sunny and bright like 15 minutes ago, and the moment I turned on my camera and I sat here to shoot, all the reels that you see about the weather and the climate in Dublin, it's true my friend, it's true. Okay, anyway, recently I have been receiving a lot of DMs from you guys about, hey, so we are just thinking of applying to UCD. What all things should we consider before applying? Or, hey, where's Dublin? How's the accommodation there? How's the transportation? And what all things should we remember or keep in mind before coming to Dublin? So, as an international student here myself, I thought I will take that torch and help you guys with at least some information that I think is relevant enough. Wait a minute, before I go any further, did you see it's so sunny right now and my camera is not actually adjusting to it, so I'm burning up in Okay, so this is sort of better. As I was saying, I thought instead of replying to each and every one of you, why don't I sort of create a video that captures all that information and more that I think is relevant for you guys or any other international student who's thinking or planning of coming to Dublin. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So, the number one thing that you need to keep in mind before coming to Ireland is, if you are in India and you don't have an international driver's license, and if by God's grace you have time, then apply for one now, because trust me, having an international driver's license is very important here in Dublin. It sort of acts like your identity card in case you don't have IRP. I'll talk about that later in this video. Along with that, in terms of job opportunities, there are a lot of part-time and full-time jobs that hire you on the basis of your driving license, in the sense that there is a sort of criteria that wherein it's compulsory to have any sort of driving license. So please make sure that you are applying for your driving license. Second most thing that you need to keep in mind before coming to Ireland, the sort of things you need to carry with yourself, is a -5 degree jacket or any sort of jacket that keeps you warm. Here from November end till December, February onwards as well, it gets quite cold. It stays cold enough, so थोड़ा वो ध्यान रखना कि तुम्हारे पास गर्मी वाले कपड़े हैं. I would suggest that you also carry a pair of thermals with you. I myself had got 2 pairs of thermals, and trust me, they actually keep you very warm and help you with most of the winter season over here, because तुमको किधर भी जाना है वो थर्मल पहन लो, तुम्हारी बॉडी को काफ़ी गर्म रखेगा, and उसके ऊपर then you can layer it up by wearing other jackets and all, in case you're like me, doesn't feel the cold that much, then you don't actually sometimes need to wear a jacket as well if you are wearing the thermal. So I would suggest get a thermal, get a pair of gloves. Don't get a lot because you'll pretty much get everything here in Dublin, just for safety, and since you might not have that much money yet if you're dependent on a part-time. So if you're considering all these factors, then do carry a pair of thermals, gloves, -5 degree jackets, and all those warm clothes beforehand, and get them with you back from your home. Yeah. Number 3 is, now let's dive into the whole kitchen area. Okay, so sabse pehle, if y'all are coming from India, see, pretty much you'll get everything here in Dublin. Okay, all the things that are required, like masala, utensils, this and that, all other things you will get here. It's just the difference would be that there might be a bit of price rise in comparison to the things that you get in India, but still I would suggest that get the following things that I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so get a rice cooker, because you get it here, but if you get it from India, it's much convenient. It was for me. I got one, like, since I was coming here by myself, I got one 1 liter rice cooker, and it still is with me, and almost everything I cook in that utensil. I had one pan, non-stick one, in which I could like cook my eggs, my dosas, and all other things, my chapati and all those things. Then number 3 is get yourself a bigger spoon to cook, and like small plastic spoons and forks that you get from IKEA. Then I got myself plate and mugs, my favorite things as well. Whatever you guys feel like is important for you, and you actually need to get that, so do get them. But just do keep in mind one more thing, that you actually get pretty much everything here in Dublin. So if you don't have a luggage limit, then just go all in. But if you do, and include priority things, like weigh your pros and cons, and that way pack your luggage. Okay, other than that, get all your masalas, but most importantly, do not forget getting ghee. If you're like a ghee lover like me, please get your ghee from back home. Please get it from India, because even though you get ghee here, it's damn expensive. Price rise हो जाता है, so that's why ensure करो कि at least next 6 months तक की चीज़ें तुम ला पाओ. घी हो गया, then अचार हो गया, and हमारे सारे दाल हो गए, चावल हो गए. चावल भी तुमको इधर मिल जाता है. Since we are talking about the groceries here, so there are like 3 grocery stores that I actually love, and pretty much everything that I require to cook is like it gets like पूरा capture हो जाता है इसमें, ठीक है? So number 1 is Tesco, number 2 is Lidl, and number 3 is Aldi. So I find these 3 grocery stores very relevant, and there's like one Asian store, Indian store that I go to, जिसमें मेरा पूरा grocery का सामान खत्म, like पूरा sort हो जाती है मेरी life, ठीक है? तो and Aldi is cheaper than Tesco. Don't worry, इतना भी कुछ टेंशन मत लेना, बिकॉज यहाँ पे सब मिल जाता है. तुम जो भी तुमको चाहिए होगा इंडिया से, वो यहाँ पे अवेलेबल होगा. जस्ट इतना तुम ध्यान रखो कि प्राइस में ऑफकोर्स डिफरेंस होगा, तो बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. कीप योर अपने माइंडसेट को उस हिसाब से थोड़ा प्रिपेयर्ड रखो, कि ऐसे नहीं कि इंडिया में तो अरे इतना सा मिलता था, अभी इतना. वो थोड़ा बहुत तुमको कन्वर्जन का वो भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Oh, so actually earlier I forgot to mention when I was talking about clothes here. So तुमको jackets and वो सारी चीज़ें remember मैंने बताई थी कि यहाँ पे भी मिलती है. मैं उसकी price range पे तुमको sort of बता देती हूँ. So currently जो अभी की price है is about, so you will get the cheapest jacket for 20 euros from Pennies and Dunnes. These are like the clothing stores sort of available here. There are other as well, Zara, H&M, and all the other things that you find convenient. But if you're looking for the cheapest ones, then you get one jacket for 20 euros in Primark and Dunnes. And uske alawa, if you're looking for like a bit better, then you also get for 38 euros or 30 to 40 euros ke range mein. And then of course there's more than 40 and 50 euros, but the cheapest one is for 20 euros, and in case you're on a budget, you might go for that one. So ऐसे भी कुछ नहीं है कि तुमको exactly पूरा सामान इंडिया से लाना ही पड़ेगा. नहीं, there are things available here. So it goes for everything: clothing, kitchen, like groceries, and all those things. Okay, so don't worry, chill out. Just ensure करना that while coming here, you're getting as less as possible, but as relevant as possible. So अपने pros and cons प्रॉपरली वे करके पैक करना. इफ तुम्हारा लगेज फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है तो तुम्हारी लाइफ ही सॉर्ट है, बट इन केस तुम कम लगेज पे हो, जैसे आई हैड ओनली 30 kgs, सो उस हिसाब से अपना प्लान करके प्रॉपर पैक करना, बिकॉज अदरवाइज ऐसे ना हो जाए तुम्हें बाद में पता चले यार ये चीज़ आनी चाहिए थी. वो एनीवे होगा, वो तो ऑफकोर्स होगा, बिकॉज कम ऑन, यू ऑलवेज मिस the things that you had back home. बट स्टिल वो थोड़ा तुमको बीट ही नहीं होगा, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. Oh, sorry. So I have actually like noted down all the things that I'm gonna say here. So that's why I'm looking in my book. So, oh, this is the most important thing, you guys. I might even like attach a link in the description below. Okay. ध्यान से सुनो, ठीक है? ध्यान से. Please do not forget a jet spray. Please do get one. Okay. I know. If you're okay living without a jet spray, good for you, happy for you. But trust me, if you're like me who finds it very disgusting, okay, nothing against anybody, it's just my personal opinion that I do not like it. So if that's the case, ensure you're getting yourself a jet spray. If तुमको उसका भी tension है, like if you're worried for that, don't be. There's always a solution. Yeah, but just don't forget that, okay? Let's move on. Okay, so to talk about electronics now, most importantly, you'll get everything here, of course, right? Like I've been talking, but to talk about the prices of electronics over here, I would suggest you all to get all of your electronics from India because the prices are a bit high over here. It's quite similar, but in comparison it's high. So if you're looking to buy a laptop or a mouse or a phone or you know whatever, just ensure that you might, like, if you could already buy like from India rather than coming here and buying, because it might sort of be expensive for you. So I would suggest if you could just get it from India. If not, then again you have options available here. You have Dell, you have Mac, you have Dell, you have Apple, you have other a lot of like companies available here. But along with these things, ensure that you're also getting some pen drives, some hard drives, a lot of chargers, and most important thing, do not forget getting yourself a universal adapter, because यहाँ के जो adapters है उनका switch थोड़ा अलग होता है, in case you all didn't know. तो तुम्हारी कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चीज़ यहाँ पे चल ही नहीं पाएगी, तुम प्लग इन ही नहीं कर पाओगे अगर तुम्हारे पास वो अडेप्टर नहीं है. तो डोंट वरी, इन केस तुम भूल भी जाते हो, देर आर स्टोर्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टोर्स हियर हु ऑल्सो लाइक यू नो प्रोवाइड यू विथ यूनिवर्सल अडेप्टर्स, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ के बच्चे भी जाते होंगे ना किधर. तो टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है इन केस तुमने बाय नहीं किया है और ये वीडियो तुम काफ़ी बाद में देख रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि अगेन वो चीज़ यहाँ पे वापस थोड़ी एक्सपेंसिव रहेगी तुम्हारे लिए बस. सो दैट्स वाई इफ़ यू कैन जस्ट गेट, लाइक डोंट फॉरगेट इट, ओके, जस्ट डोंट. Please do not also forget getting a rain jacket, okay? So as you all saw earlier, the weather here is so beautiful, right? I hope you got the sarcasm. It is beautiful though. I mean, come on, I love it. It's just that it's very unpredictable. So it rains literally almost every single day, every time. Like, so do not forget a rain jacket. And if you're thinking of buying an umbrella, so in my opinion, okay, my personal advice to you, do not purchase an umbrella. It's okay if you get a smaller one just when it's sunny or it's like drizzling, but that's not actually the case in Dublin because it's always very windy. All said and done, you also get umbrellas here. So that's why तुम्हें इंडिया से लाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, इधर मिल जाते हैं कुछ 7 यूरो, 10 यूरो, 12 यूरो तक मिल जाते हैं. The most important thing that you need to get from India is your medicines and your medicine prescription. So यहाँ पे जनरल practitioners होते हैं, ठीक है, and they wouldn't give you medicines इतने भी easily जितने हमें इंडिया में मिलते हैं, ठीक है. एंड यहाँ पे केमिस्ट भी इतने नहीं हैं. देयर आर फार्मेसीज अवेलेबल बट नॉट अ लॉट. मेडिसिन ऐसे रैंडमली जाके परचेज नहीं कर सकते हो. यू ऑलवेज नीड टू शो योर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. Yeah, but there are like other like Lidl में, which is a store, you get like sort of जो भी एकदम से मेडिसिन होते हैं ना जो हमें चाहिए ही होते हैं, जैसे हमारे इधर कैसे क्रूसीन है, डोलो है, राइट, यहाँ पे वैसे थोड़ी डाइजेस्टिव चीज़ है या फिर पैरासीटामोल की एक गोली तुम्हें ऐसे मिल जाती है, ऐसे पूरा पैकेट होता है. बट अदर देन दैट इफ़ यू आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर प्रॉपर मेडिसिन, वो तुम्हें यहाँ पे कोई नहीं देगा फार्मेसी में. यू नीड टू शो योर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. एंड मैं तो बोलती हूँ जैसे मैंने किया था, गेट योर सेल्फ एटलीस्ट वो सारे मेडिसिन जो तुम्हें नेक्स्ट 6 महीने तक यू थिंक तुम्हें लगेंगे. जैसे अभी तुम्हारे कोई पर्सनल एलर्जीज है, उनके अगर कोई मेडिसिन है, तुमको कोई पर्सनल सॉर्ट ऑफ तुम्हारे एक्चुअली डेली टैबलेट्स है जो तुम लेते हो, या फिर कोई सिरप है जो तुम पीते हो. जैसे आई हैव माई ओन सॉर्ट ऑफ मेडिसिन दैट आई हैव बिन टेकिंग फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. तो आई हैव गॉट दैट, आई हैव गॉट प्रोसीन फॉर माई सेल्फ. एंड there's other a lot face wash and ये हो गया, वो हो गया, shampoo and all that, ये तुम अपने लिए carry कर लो. But other than that you get pretty much everything like shampoo, soap, body wash, all that things you get here very easily and at a very reasonable rates also. Okay, so for those things there's Boots store available here. Deals may you get these things, Lidl, Aldi, you get pretty much everywhere. Now that we have spoken about medicines and your prescription, another most important thing is to get yourself a health insurance. So UCD itself provides its health insurance called as Study and Protect. I'm pretty sure if you have opted for counselor, they might have already told you. In case they haven't, don't worry. UCD, if you go to UCD site, अगर आप उनके पोर्टल पे जाते हो, they have a lot of information about their health insurance available there. So do make sure you are getting one of those. If not Study and Protect, there are a lot of other insurance options available. But यहाँ पे वो ले लेना because एक security हो जाती है. Insurance लेने से पहले please ensure करना that you are reading out all the things that are covered under it. Another thing that I would suggest is before coming here, get your checkup done, like in terms of everything, like get your tests, your dental checkup, your overall blood test and whatnot, like get everything done because it's always better. क्योंकि in case you all need ऐसी भी कोई दवाइयाँ जो यहाँ पे नहीं है available, तो तुम ला सकते हो. So it's always better to, caution is always better than cure, right? So that's why. Okay, so we have pretty much talked about what all things to pack if you're planning to come to Dublin. Now let's talk about what to do once you have landed here in Dublin, right? So the moment you'll put your feet here in Dublin, सबसे पहले जाके तुम्हें लेना है एक सिम कार्ड. There are a lot of options available here. There's Vodafone, there's EIR, there's Tree and Tesco. There's a lot of SIM card options available. तो तुम अपने खुद के SIM card को भी eSIM में convert करा सकते हो for iPhone users. It's very easy. कोई टेंशन नहीं है. Vodafone के साइट पे जाके तुम कर सकते हो. Similarly, all these other SIM cards have their own sites and you can just go and do their get your SIM card converted there. Along with this, they also have a lot of student discount internet packs available. So ensure that you are checking everything thoroughly, research कर रहे हो अच्छे से and फिर ही अपना SIM card और internet pack ले रहे हो. There are a lot of facilities available for students here. So ensure तुम वो चीज़ utilize कर रहे हो, ठीक है? After once you've gotten yourself a SIM card, next thing you need to do is apply for IRP, that is Irish Resident Permit. It's sort of like your resident permit card, right? Like it says. ये तुमको बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे काम आएगा. जैसे तुम जॉब अप्लाई कर रहे हो या फिर इफ़ तुम्हारे साथ कोई सिचुएशन आ जाती है where they ask you for an identity proof, then you can of course you need to have a resident permit because तुम यहाँ के resident हो, उसका permit है ये तुम्हारे लिए जो तुम दिखाओगे. So it's very important, so do apply for that. एक proper office है जहाँ पे इनका appointments वगैरह लिया जाता है. It's in Eden Quay here in Dublin. So तुम online apply करोगे mygovernment.id से and once you have done that तुमको कुछ 300 euros भरने पड़ते हैं. जब भी तुम एक्चुअली आओगे ना एयरपोर्ट से, एट दैट टाइम ओनली तुम्हारे पासपोर्ट पे उन्होंने तुमको एक डेडलाइन दिया होगा कि योर पासपोर्ट पे जो ये स्टैम्प है दैट इज़ वैलिड टिल दिस डेट. Before that date you need to apply for IRP. अगर तुमने वैसा नहीं किया है, if you don't have that IRP application at least, तो तुमको deport कर दिया जाएगा from like wherever you have come from. So it's very important to apply for an IRP. Thing is PPSN. PPSN भी एक चीज़ है जिससे तुम्हें basically part time तुम कर सकते हो. So it's very important. अगर तुम्हारे पास PPSN नंबर नहीं है तो तुम पार्ट टाइम जॉब नहीं कर सकते, तो PPSN को भी अप्लाई कर लेना. So once you have your phone number, your PPSN and IRP in place, now is the time to open yourself a bank account. So it's very very important, because once, like if you are looking to do part time here or anything, you know, like your day-to-day activities, if you also want to transfer money back from home to here or vice versa and all that, it's very important, right? A bank account is very very important. So don't worry, मैं थोड़े बहुत बैंक अकाउंट्स यहाँ पे मेंशन करने वाली हूँ नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में, तो भूलना मत to open yourself a bank account. There is AIB, there is Bank of Ireland and a lot of other bank options available. There's also this Revolut app, which is sort of like GPay and Paytm in India, but it's very very relevant. I use both. I also like I have a bank account at the same time I use Revolut, so वो भी कर लेना, Revolut में भी register कर लेना, because it will be very easier for you to do your day-to-day transactions. Okay, जैसे ही ये हो गया होगा, assuming you're an UCD international student, जैसे ही तुम अपने UCD पोर्टल पे जाओगे, वहाँ पे तुम्हें प्रोफाइल सेक्शन में अपना सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ अटेंडेंस मिलेगा. तो इंश्योर करना दैट यू डाउनलोड दैट सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ attendance, because that is going to play a major role in you getting your IRP and your PPSN. So you need to have your certificate of attendance, because it sort of acts like a proof that yes, you are a UCD student and you're not bluffing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that I have covered most of the points and answered most of your queries. In case I haven't, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll try my best to cover all of them and answer all of them. I really hope that you found this video very very helpful, and it might have, you know, sorted a lot of your problems. So yeah, don't worry, you got this. Do not hesitate to hit me up on my social media, okay? I'll try my best to answer all the questions. So here's my LinkedIn ID, here's my Instagram. And I really hope that I made your life at least a teeny tiny bit easier. And anyway, I'll catch you on campus. And if not, I'll see you in Dublin. So bye! Take care.